Hey guys, and welcome to today's daily market outlook for the 14th of May 2021. So in today's market outlook, we're going to be discussing the DXY bearishness that we've been seeing since yesterday's New York session. So yeah, let's just dive straight in. So as you guys can see, I've been mentioning the 90.9 zone for absolutely ages now. And as we can see, if I just mark out the 90.9 level, you can see how precise we actually tapped that level. So what's really beautiful for now is that we rejected that 618 Fibonacci level and my potential reversal zone. So after we hit that zone, we can see that we started consolidating over here. Let's just have a quick look at the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we just started consolidating and we didn't really move anywhere. However, for now, it seems that during this London session of this morning, we're starting to break out towards the downside. So if we can see a sustained break towards the downside, I am expecting more downside from the DXY, maybe see a New York pullback before tanking further towards the downside, with this being the area of support and resistance. So yeah, for now, if we do see close outside of this consolidation area, I am going to be expecting more downside, and I might try and get in on the potential retest and lower high, which will come after this impulse is made. So yeah, that is the DXY, just expecting more downside if we do close out of consolidation. So let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar is rejecting from the trend line as expected and from my reversal zone. So just tapped into the reversal zone to absolute precision. As we can see, like I discussed yesterday, forming a potential head and shoulders. So let's start seeing Aussie dollar pull back towards the upside. What we might get is a lower time frame long. So if you just look at what the 1 hour is doing at the moment, you can see that we have this inverse head and shoulders over here. So for now, what we need to see is a breakout above this area of resistance. So a sustained breakout with at least 1 or 2 closes above the highest high. After that, what we want to see is a retest of that highest high. Maybe a retest a little bit lower before starting to move further towards the upside. So no shorts on Aussie dollar for now, only until we start breaking the lows over here at 0.76900. So yeah, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, what an absolute beauty. As you guys know, I mentioned that we could come back down for that double bottom. So we came back down for that double bottom, hit the 618 to absolute precision, and are rejecting from this potential reversal zone. So at the moment, if we just dive deeper into, let's say, the 1 hour time frame, what we can then see is that euro dollar was just as messy as the DXY. So for at the moment, what we want to see is a sustained breakout, just as I mentioned on the DXY, with a clean break, then a retest, and then potentially going long on this potential new higher low. So yeah, no shorts on the board at all for the moment. I'm only going to be looking to long euro dollar back towards the upside. So yeah, let's head over to pound dollar. Pound dollar, also an absolute beauty, rejecting from this potential reversal zone and 0.32. However, pound dollar is a little bit more messy than the others at the moment. So what do we want to see? Well, we want to see a break of this trend line, which we're currently getting. Then if we just quickly dive into the 30-minute time frame, it's still a little bit more messy, but essentially what we have is an area of support and resistance over here, and we're currently seeing that break of the trend line and of that area of resistance. So if we see a little bit of a stronger push towards the upside, we could potentially see longs and get in on that new higher low over here. So yeah, no shorts on the board. Not interested in shorting pound dollar yet. So yeah, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar also rejecting from the potential reversal area, moving towards the upside as we speak. Remember, I mentioned that Kiwi dollar could play out the same as Aussie dollar and form that potential head and shoulders pattern by moving back up towards this area of liquidity over here at 0.72340. So for now, breaking the descending trend line, if we once again go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have this kind of destroyed inverse head and shoulders. However, what we currently need to see is a break above this area of resistance with a nice lower time frame retest of that to potentially take along up into this area of liquidity right over here at 0.7 to 400. So yep, that is Kiwi dollar for you, and that is today's market outlook. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any requests regarding any specific pairs, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in this weekend's Trade of the Week episode. Thanks guys.